And at this point, I want to thank the entire group in France for this collaboration and this partnership today to be able to be part of this event, which, as I said at the beginning, is one that I always look forward to every year, as many do. And at this point, I'm going to hand it over to the Vice President of Météo et Climat, Dominique MARBOUTY, to take us home. Merci.
Merci beaucoup, Bernadette.
Thank you very much, Bernadette. I'm going to try to conclude this day simply and rapidly. I would like to remind you that this was the last step before the International Conference on Weather and Climate 2022. We started mid-May with a public event in front of the Paris Town Hall, where we welcomed almost 2,000 people per day, and we had all kinds of activities organized, training for teachers. A second event was a scientific symposium, which was held in the reception rooms of the City Hall. And today, the third event aimed at the media, because it was obvious that they are an important part of the work to develop actions to mitigate and adapt to climate change, and all of the issues revolving around climate change. I'd like to take this opportunity to say a few words about our statistics. For those of you here, you can see we don't seem to be many, but I must say there are a very large number of people who followed this event online. We had more than 400 people registered. And in fact, we had more than 350 who actually connected and logged on today. So you can see that these are events which are well followed. You know that when we organized this type of event 2 years ago, but there have been changes in the meantime, and I hope that we will be able to continue this work and be efficient. Personally speaking, I found today extremely interesting, and I think that the mix proposed here between technical information, scientific information, as well as all of the discussion around communication, around getting the message across, was very interesting. And I must say that here, you know, what was very interesting was the subject which was of interest to everyone today. There was art, there was everything. Hopefully we'll see many more such events. In conclusion, I would like to thank all of those who have enabled this day to take place. I'd like to thank all of the speakers, because this is really the matter that we work with. So I'd like to thank all of the participants as well in today's session. I'd like to thank our partners as well. And I would especially like to thank the CNES for its welcome and hospitality. And I would like to thank all of those who worked in the background, those at the back of the room, who ensured that the 350 people logged on, as well as those here in the room, were able to follow the meeting. I would like to thank the organizers of Météo, Climat, and I would like to thank Christian Vanier and his team. So thank you again, and I set an appointment with you for next year. Thank you, and have a lovely evening.